This will be how to install Windows 10. Boot into the Windows 10 installation page. If you come to this page, on the first page it will set the language. Time and keyboard will be the default. Don't need to change anything. Then next and press install now. To choose from, depending on it, select one version and there are 2 items. After selecting custom, it will be up to the page to partition 50 GB because it is simulated and divided from one hard disk. Hard disk will have a choice as drive CL this time to install. Partition where it has the most space, because if the selected space is not enough, it cannot be grayed out. After it is finished, it will restart. Come to the page to select the location. We select the US keyboard, then choose to be US Connect Network. At any rate, we choose limited setup. Now we set a username for using the machine and password. Here it is, and on this page is a basic setting page. Okay, I conclude the installation of Windows 10. The steps are all like this.